life, if you had to define it?
To rebuild the middle class in America, to rebuild the American dream. I think that the American dream is broken right now, that there's an unfulfilled promise to the middle class, that the middle class is what really makes America, America. There's a country that was founded without a peasant class. And yes, we had a slave class for a long time, and that's a terrible tragedy from our history. But where America's roots are and what has made America what it is that we have always had a middle class, and so as that shrinks, as that wealth gap shrinks, and the ultra high net worth people become even ultra high net worth people, and you got to start taking that 1% down to the 0.0001%, and then the poverty line doesn't move, and more people fall below the poverty line, and now inflation is raging, right? So what motivates me is to rebuild the middle class in America. And I believe that entrepreneurship is the highest ideal of the American dream. And so you look at how we have invested at SpringTime. We don't have a mandate or even a thesis around middle class, but you look at some of these investments that we've made, like Sondermind is a marketplace for mental health therapists. But what it does is it allows a therapist to hang a shingle out there, and they have all the services that they need to run their business, including getting clients driven to them, so that they can be a small business and they can be a single operator, and they can live their dream of being an entrepreneur as a therapist, right? And that's just one example. So this is what motivates me.
I love it.